to thank you once again, Atlanta. And not only do I love you, but I think I love my skater. The first time I skated in Atlanta was in a non-homosexual tryst with a friend of mine you meet later. Him and his lady person, they lured me into a rape type situation. So I feel like Atlanta is where rock is never dead.